So I decided to reach out to Dr. Ray because I feel as if in the past I haven't been as confident as I'd like to be in my relationships, mainly with myself. There have been times where I might say something and it comes off as maybe needy to a person, my significant other, and so I wanted to be more self-assured and more confident, and therefore I feel like that would help me attract a more quality, like high quality man in my life. So, learning the materials from Dr. Ray, I know that I experienced just a feeling of empowering, like I felt more empowered. Because he just has a way of explaining things, and he's very direct and he's very honest, and I really benefit from his honesty because he doesn't hold back. And so therefore, even dealing with him personally, there have been a time, I don't remember his exact words, but when he brought something up to my attention, I benefited from that advice, and it was like coming from a man's perspective, and he was gentle, but he was very assertive, and so I feel like it helps me as a person, and I felt more empowered. So where I am now after working with Dr. Ray, I feel like a more confident person, more confident woman. I feel like as if I'm attracting more high quality men into my life. Currently, I am dating someone, and I think he's a wonderful person, and he's high quality. And so I feel that being in alignment with what you want to experience definitely helps. And that's something that I've learned from Dr. Ray and taking his series. So I feel amazing. I feel like I'm really experiencing a better relationship.